My name is Catherinee Nyambura, the Deputy Director at Dandelion Kenya, an organization that is based in Nakuru, working to ensure access to sexual and reproductive health and rights information and services for women and girls. I was recently honored to have been the guest on the NAID chat on Twitter, hosted by Network for African Youth for Development. We currently live in a time when girls' bodies, their ownership and their autonomy has been taken over by other people, putting girls through early forced marriages, putting girls through FGM, denying them education, and other despicable violations. Families have continued to put girls' dreams on hold over those of the boy counterparts. Poverty accelerates this because of the need to choose and the general lack of information, including a general lack of resources. In public spaces, currently, 1 out of 3 girls are either at risk or have experienced sexual violence. This goes to show the enormous amount of violence going through that women and girls are put through, either in public spaces, during war, and in other conflict situations. We as young people are, however, lucky to be living at a time when the world has invested enormous effort to legislate laws and policies that protect women and girls. We should continue to work to ensure further implementation and strengthening of these policies. We should also take it upon ourselves to ensure the construction of negative gender and social norms that continue to put girls' social welfare at risk. We should work to ensure girls participate in various fields of development, continue to tell stories of women and girls excelling in various spaces, and also ensure that we show the world how women and girls can be astonishing. It should be the moment when girls' dreams are actualized and not forgotten. It should be our moment to see girls as solutions and not problems, and therefore we should provide women and girls with personal freedom, legal protection, access to opportunities and services for them to be able to participate fully as citizens in the society, in our communities, in our countries, and at the global level. This should also be a moment when girls and women rising should not scare the world at all. We should provide them with information regarding their health and nutrition. Information should be scientific and evidence-based for them to be able to make informed choices regarding their health and be able to plan their lives accordingly. This should be a moment when being a girl and being a woman should be a strength and not a sanctuary of pain. This should also be the moment when the world wakes up to see the potential in women and goes ahead to provide education and relevant skills required for women to participate culturally, socially, and economically for them to contribute to development. We should further see these women as strength in our community and provide protection for them and prevent exploitation by ensuring we legislate on strong protection systems socially, economically for them to continue their participation. In the post-2015 development agenda, we should also acknowledge the fact that we cannot move forward without putting people at the center of it, and people should encompass women and girls. Poverty having been identified as overarching in the development agenda, we cannot at all achieve eradication of poverty if we do not start with the girl. I am honored to have participated in the Network for African Youth in Development activities, and having recorded this video, I welcome any collaborations or partnerships that will come of it. And Dandelion Kenya is honored to be working with women and girls to ensure their access to services and information on sexual reproductive health and rights. And for those of you who are passionate on this issue, you're welcome to contact me, and we shall ensure that we make the world see how astonishing girls can be. Thank you very much.